Good morning, children. We'll be starting a new chapter of our fifth standard, the nerve system. The chapter 4. So, nerve system. See here, you will be seeing many nerves finding around your body. Let we discuss about what is nerve system in our body. Okay, you can find the different things here, different sounds, taste, food, and tell me the many things that about your environment around you. All this have more is possible because we have a sense organ. Here your students observe this figure. Here you have a this everything in the red color. No, this is represent as a nerve system. Whatever you taste, for example, you taste, yeah, it is very beautiful. If you have a wonderful dish here and you'll be having, for example, I'll give you that masala dosa and the chutney, means you'll come to know, yeah, it is looking like good, so your eyes will enter to the sense organ, yeah, it is looking like good. Then we taste it to your tongue, you come to know it is very good food, so your nerve system automatically seconds, a fraction minutes, it will send to your brain. Compared to our computer, our nerve system, our brain is very much active and very much faster. Okay, students, here whatever you do it, you sense, you find a sound in somewhere else, they're knocking the door, means you come to know which side it is. So our nerve system tells where it is coming from, so in the fraction second it start to our body move. So all these are possible through the nerve system. Here see your students, you have a brain, you have spinal cord, and nerves to rest of the body. These are the nerves rest to the body. See here, but you may sit and think for a while that how do the eyes know that what they are seeing? Can you can how can you the skin differentiate a hot object from the cold one? How can ears tell the difference between the sound of a human voice and that car sound? So all this question is the brain. This is a brain. This brain will be helping to the nerve system detect the differentiate the around us. So the brain will be making us to differentiate different how the which sound it is. It is possible a good sound, a bad sound, a good taste, a bad taste, and how it is possible. It is a good way. It is we can walk in this way or we can move in different way. It is very dirty. It is clean. It is healthy. Everything it is detected by brain. All these are detected by the brain. Okay, student, the nerve system is the most complex of whole the body system. It controls and coordinates all the activities performed our body parts. So the nerve will perform the different activities of our body parts. The system receives information from the different parts of the body and responds to them accordingly. It is made up of three parts. What are they? Let we consider. See here, students, they have a three parts. That is, first part is brain, second part is spinal cord, third part is nerves. They are the three parts: the brain, spinal cord, and the nerves. See here, student, brain, spinal cord, nerves. This part will be studying one by one. Okay, first one will be studying. They have a brain. Okay, student, the nerve system is divided into three parts. That is the brain, spinal cord. No, the nerve system is divided into three parts. Nerves, that is the brain, the spinal cord, the nerves. These are the three parts we are in. Let we discuss one by one. The brain. The brain. Brain is perhaps the most important organ in our body. It receives a message from different parts of the body. the processing them and then sends instruction to the different parts. It takes a master computer. The brain is about the top of the spinal cord and it is protected by the skull. It weighs about 1.4 kg. The space between the skull and this brain. See here, the brain is the most important part of our body. It receives a message. It is a sense organ. It receives a message from different parts of the body and the process them, the sending instruction. For example, they have an instruction fraction second it moves. So if you have a if you get somebody getting a hot water, no, if you touch it, you can feel it within fraction second the message will be sent to the brain. So it is hot, this is cold, and everything will be done by the brain in the fraction second. The brain is protected from the skull. The brain is protected from the skull. You know, we have weight, right? Similarly, the brain has a weight. How much? It is 1.4 kg. Sorry, not 4 point. It is 1.4 kg. It is the weight of the brain will be 1.4 kg. The space between the skull and the brain, also the space inside there is the space between there. It is also space inside the brain. See, a student, the brain is the top of the spinal cord. So spinal cord top is there. No, this will be represented as a spinal cord. This top will be the brain is at the top of the spinal cord and it is protected by the skull. I told before only it is protected by skull and it is weight is how much? 1.4 kg. Okay, see, whatever as a computer is less than the human brain computer. Okay, we are more faster than the computer. You will be telling the computer is very fast. No, our human brain is very fast compared to the computer. Clear, student? Here you want to know that the brain receives a message in the fraction second, not even a like you touch it, it is goes, it is hot, it is cold, it is sweet, it is sour, there is very spices. So you come to know that the brain makes our all the information to the brain. So you know that the all everything the brain will be started like a master computer. This is a like a CPU of our body. How is CPU in our computer now? Similarly, the CPU of our human body is brain. Brain is the most important part is our body. Okay, student. So it is filled with a clear liquid that protects the brain against a jerk and shock. It is like a liquid will be present inside. So what happens here? It will be protected from the filled with a clear liquid that protects the brain against the jerk and the shock. So it is like we can say helmet. It is like a helmet, but it is helmet is a fully covered, but here it is protected with the clear liquid. Okay, next this brain is made up of millions of the nerve cells. So this is made up of millions of the nerve cell. Each cell is linked with a thousand of other cells. So each one nerves is linked with the other nerves. The linking helps the brain to do many different things at one time. So you will be doing one activity at a two times. So you will be for example, we can say that we'll be writing, we'll be listening to music. So this is I'm giving an example. This should not do at home. Okay, students, you should while writing you should write. We'll be walking and talking. So these are the two multiple activities we'll be doing. Okay, we'll be writing, talking, doing and moving. Everything will be done. So the brain makes several activities at one at a time. So the brain has several parts. The three main parts of the brains are, we have in brain also we have a parts. What are the parts? Let we discuss it very deeply. Okay, student. We have first one. Cerebrum. Cerebrum medulla. Cerebrum. Cerebrum medulla. These are the part. This is the first part. Here down part one more is there, no, that is one part, and here is the one part. I'll be explaining this. This upper part will be represented as an cerebrum. 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 Second part is there, no, here down. This part will be called it as cerebellum. Cerebellum. This will be represented as an cerebellum, and the downer part will represent as an medulla. Let we discuss about this each part. What are the functions?